This video shows the complete process of how a 5.56 by 45 casing is made. At the beginning, I'm using a standard US brass cup, the same one I demonstrated in my previous 7.62 by 51 video. This brass cup is highly versatile and can be used to manufacture a variety of different cartridges. In this video, I've skipped the primary cupping operation and started directly from the first draw stage through to the final stages, as this is more appropriate for focusing on the casing formation process. If you haven't seen the cupping operation yet, I recommend watching the 7.62 by 51 video for a complete understanding. The overall manufacturing steps remain the same, including intermediate annealing, lubrication, and quenching. However, the key difference in this 5.56 by 45 process is the die and punch geometry, which are significantly smaller and specifically designed for this caliber. This is how a 5.56 by 45 casing is formed from start to finish. Thank you for watching.